roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high, we can start again, laughing to the end, screaming at the top, hope it never stops, we could do it all over, rhythm's bringing us closer, superstar you're like Nova, oh, so incredible one time, gotta let it go tonight, wanna know what it feels like, yeah, we going up, we take it down.
So before sending in the frame to get powder coated, I want to add this brake pump here because I converted the rear brake from drum to a disc. As you can see, it's a low light situation, but here is the brake disc, the brake caliper, but I need some place to put the pump. So I got this thick piece of steel, it's around 5-6 millimeters, and I'm planning to make a flange right here. So I will show you how it goes. So here is how the paper piece fits, and this is the brake lever. There will be some modifications done to the brake lever. I will also be keeping this if I want to convert it back to drum brakes in case of going off-roading. I will add a piece of metal here to actuate the pump, and here is how the pump will sit around here. It will be okay because this is actually adjustable and it can go up and down. As you can see, the two little lock nuts and the threaded piece. So this is kind of the position I want the pump to be in, and now it's time to cut up the steel. We traced back the cardboard piece onto the piece of metal, held it tight with vice grips, and now it's time to cut it up. It fits kinda okay, there is a little bit of gap there, but that's nothing that cannot be filled with welds. As you can see, it is still up. I welded up the piece of metal. My welds are not the best, I don't really weld a lot. I don't really have any experience, but I think they will hold up good. So now it's time to mock up where to drill the piece of metal and to make a little metal piece for the brake lever. So this is the position I want my pump to be in. So I hit it with this here to know the center hole to where I drill. Now time to remove this and to get a drill bit and drill it up to 8.5 millimeters because this here hole is M8 threaded. So let's get to drilling. The spacers are done. I used some sockets like this, which you find in the ratchet set. I drilled the 8mm hole through them and welded them up. As you can see, it is very sturdy and I haven't even tightened it that much. So now it's time to create a little piece that will move the pump, actuate it. When you press the pedal, it moves this. I'm thinking of using this old sprocket. It is very little driven, but I don't really need it anymore. To create a little flange that will push up this pump, creates pressure and moves the caliper. I need to add this little piece here firstly to act as a spacer. So let me see, this piece here lines up better and it doesn't push on this too much. After welding up this bracket thingy, now it's time to put a hole through it and find a pin that will fit this so that I can test if the pump will go all the way. So I just tested out this setup and it works perfectly. We have adequate brake pressure, we have great movement, we can adjust this little arm here for more or less. For now it is working perfect, but we'll see when the bike is built. We've got the frame back from powder coating and it looks absolutely stunning. I will need to fix this here so that the chassis number can be seen. It's a very good coat of paint. It looks amazing. Because my front fork has been changed, I couldn't find a proper bearing that would fit here and would fit on the fork. So I needed to have this custom, let's say, washer that makes it from 52 millimeters to 55, which fits the bike perfectly and it can be properly mounted.